To use highlight tools to recover details in bright spot of photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Swipe the icon area to the left to find highlight icon. Now drag the slider to the left to reduce highlight. This recover details in bright areas that look washed out. Or you can drag the slider to the right to increase highlight. This makes bright areas even brighter for dramatic effect. If you are happy with the result, tap Save to save the change. Given the function, the highlight tool is useful when your photo has overexposed areas like the sky, lights, or reflection. It helps you recover lost detail or enhance the mood of the photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.